Magandang restaurant na may masasarap na food and you can chill after eating, there you go. For today's chibugan, try naman natin here sa Historia Kitchen Plus Bar located at Quezon City. Upon waiting sa orders, they offer complimentary pandesal with mascobado butter. Super nag-enjoy ako dito kasi masarap and unlimited to ha. Nakaka-enjoy din yung ambience, Instagrammable, malinis, malawak, and maliwanag from natural light pa sa labas. Nakaka-happy pa kasi ang populite ng mga crew nila. What we tried is Historia chicken wings with signature barbecue sauce as I expected, crunchy outside, juicy and savory inside. Pinoy Ultimate Bitay generous serving, may pork belly, chicken skin, chicharron bulaklak, and grilled diempo na surprisingly hindi oily. May garlic rice and ensalada para pambalance. Nag-try din kami ng salted egg seafood, may shrimp, calamari, salted egg, veggies, corn, and ensalada. Ang sarap ng combination ng fresh seafoods, then savory sauce made from salted egg yolk. And for the dessert, nagtry kami ng maha blanca na too sweet kaya nagustuhan ko, creamy, and yung nasa top na latek is masarap walang umay factor. Coco fruity for the drinks naman, super refreshing na too sweet, may bits of fruits, kiwi, and cucumber. Enjoy din yung popping pearls niya. Everything served in the table is nasarapan kami. Meron din silang hidden bar if you want to chill. Share on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!